Good morning, readers. Hope you're having a great morning so far. So we've been learning a lot of different really important reading strategies that are going to help us become better readers as we go up and up and up in the grades. So we've been looking at characters, we've been looking at some nonfiction books, and we've really been pulling out the important facts that we find. Today is a special nonfiction day, which I'm really excited about because today what we're going to do is we're going to explore RAD again, what we did yesterday. RADD, restate, answer, detail. But we're still going to be taking away these two, and we're only going to be working on restate and answer the question. Today we're going to be doing it with nonfiction. I like reading nonfiction because you can learn so much new information. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to restate a question today. So when you have your book, now I'm loving taking the train, this book, because I love the train. I love train rides. I love looking out the window at all the different trains, look at all the things that goes by. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read. And as I read, I'm going to think about the question that was asked. So the question that is going to be asked of me on my paper is, what was one thing you learned about your topic? So if you're looking at restating, you're going to say, I learned that. So I'm going to read Taking the Train, and I'm just going to read a little part of it to see what we can learn from it. The train passes grassy fields. It crosses rivers. It passes stores, schools, and backyards. So one thing I learned from this, which is pretty cool just from looking, is trains can go over bridges on the train tracks. So I'm actually just going to use that because I think that's a really great fact that maybe I didn't know. So my book title is Taking the Train. I'm going to write that right on my book title. Now, what was one thing I learned? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restate that question. You're going to take away these words. What was one thing? You can keep the one thing. You can just take away what was. So I'm going to start. One thing I learned was, okay, one thing I learned was, now I've restated it, and now I can answer my question. Trains can go over bridges if there are train tracks. If there, oops, I used the wrong there. Cross it out and put the right one. If there, we're always editing, are train tracks. And that's it. I've restated and answered my questions. So I can't wait to see what you guys are going to send me today. Happy reading.